Hi everyone, I'm Tim and this is Run Tall. Today, I've got something pretty awesome to show you. It's the Afreda S8, a foldable electric scooter. It promises up to 50 miles on a single charge and a smooth ride thanks to its full suspension. It's built for both city cruising and some off-road fun. Sounds great, right? But is it actually worth the hype? Let's find out. Alright, let's kick things off by unboxing it. The S8 showed up fully assembled, packed up nice and snug to keep it protected, and once I got it out of the box and I removed the packing material, I was basically ready to ride. Setup took me maybe 10 minutes, so it was super quick and easy. It also came with a few accessories that I could install depending on how I wanted to set it up, including some side mirrors and a cargo basket. So the only real assembly is adding on any of the extras that you might want, so it's super easy. This thing looks sleek. It's modern with clean lines, and best of all, it folds up. Honestly, that's one of my favorite features. Folded up, it's about the size of my golf clubs. So it fits nice into my SUV, a car trunk, or even a camper without any problems. Unfolded, it measures 58 by 39 by 21 inches. When it's folded up, it shrinks to just 43 by 21 by 20 inches. And folding and unfolding literally takes seconds. Just pull up on the handle behind the main seat to fold it up, and then to unfold it, you'll use the handle that's located in front of the main seat to release the latch. So it's super simple. Even though I'm 59 years old and not exactly a bodybuilder, I had no trouble loading it into my SUV by myself. It weighs 77 pounds or 35 kilograms with both of the batteries installed, or 63 pounds or 29 kilograms without the batteries. So if lifting is a concern of yours, having a second set of hands might be helpful, but it really is manageable on my own. It's designed to carry 2 passengers and hold up to 330 pounds or 150 kilograms in total weight. Now that's including the cargo. The frame is made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, so it's tough, it's durable, it looks sharp, and it has a real industrial vibe going on. Now let's talk about what makes this scooter stand out, and that's the 2 front wheels. It's a reverse trike design, so both front wheels are right in your line of sight while you're riding. That means better steering, easier adjustments on uneven terrain, and overall, just better balance. Something that I really appreciated as an older rider. The 3-inch wide front tires give it great grip, especially on uneven or wet ground. I felt more confident riding over rough patches, and the ride itself was noticeably smooth. It's also really stable at slow speeds. Now that's thanks to the front wheelbase and the single-sided forks. That design helps to prevent tipping, which is great if you're riding in traffic or if you're just learning to get comfortable on 3 wheels. I took it out to my local state park to really test that suspension. It has a dynamic handling and suspension system. Now that keeps all 3 wheels in contact with the ground, even on bumpy terrain or sharp turns. It handled the rocks and the roots and the rough trails like a champ. It was smooth, stable, and just a lot of fun to ride. Now there are 2 riding modes. There's stable mode, which is great for slow speeds or when you're stopped. It actually stands on its own in this mode, which is awesome if you want to just stop and rest without hopping off. Sport mode, this is where things really get fun. It kicks in the full suspension for better off-road performance and faster speeds. In this mode, the scooter doesn't self-stand, but you'll feel a big boost in cornering and traction. Braking is solid with the dual hydraulic disc brakes. They're both smooth and reliable. And the S8 motor is 500 watts with a peak of 950 watts. And you've got 3 speed settings. You got gear 1, which is the slowest speed, gear 2, which is moderate, and then gear 3, which tops out at 22 miles per hour or 35 kilometers per hour. And having the 3 gear settings to choose from, combined with those dual disc brakes, made me feel super in control, even on some hilly trails. The LCD display shows your speed, your battery life, and your trip distance. It's clean, bright, and easy to read. And the battery specs? 19.2 amp hours of capacity. Now that'll get you up to 50 miles of range, or 80 kilometers. They're detachable for easy charging. And a big bonus here, once you have removed them, you can use them to charge your small electronic devices using a USB discharge cable. And to me, that's genius. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge your batteries. They're flame retardant and gel filled for extra safety. When it comes to lighting, the front headlamp runs off the S8 batteries, so you don't have to charge it. Now, while the rear light is removable and charges via USB-C. The seat is super comfy with 5 centimeters thick of padding, so that's going to keep you comfortable even on your longest rides. There's also a rear seat with a backrest for a passenger. The dashboard is big, it's colorful, waterproof, and dustproof. It connects to a smartphone app too, which gives you some really cool features like your battery level, lock and unlock, diagnostics, trip and total mileage, gear shifting, lights, screen brightness, and there's more. There's also an anti-theft combo lock and an app-based locking for extra security. So, whether you're commuting, doing errands, or exploring your local trails, the Afreda S8 really does it all. It's powerful, stable, and the ride is incredibly smooth. That full suspension absorbs bumps like they're nothing, and the dual front wheel design makes cornering feel like a dream. My favorite standout features include the foldable design so it fits in small spaces, the removable batteries for easy charging with a 50-mile range, the full suspension which gives it a smooth ride. It's stable, safe, and a great choice for older riders like myself. If you're looking for a fun, safe, and feature-packed electric scooter, I think the Afreda S8 is one of the best options that's out there. It's perfect for commuting, cruising around town, or just enjoying the outdoors, especially if you want that extra balance and the comfort of 3 wheels without giving up any power or style. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below so you can learn a little bit more about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.